First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, Oreol Academy, and the fantastic teacher, Dr. Neeraj Goel sir. His explanation was very crisp, short, and precise. As we all have been working practically, the more of the practical aspect has been taught, how to deal with it on the spot. And he has almost answered, guided to most of us in the best of his experience. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Nirma and the company. Really a fantastic experience with all the surgeons around. It was really, we don't know each other, but it was like a family. In short period, we really had a very good experience with sir. Thanks a lot, sir.